Hi everyone. Today we're going to be talking about four different knots of friendship bracelets and different types of friendship bracelets. So here we're going to be starting with forward knots. And remember, to make a forward knot, you take the string on the left, and make a four. Put your finger and pull this loop. Did you see that? Pull this loop through. Yeah. And pull. That came out. And you repeat this twice for a forward knot. There. Now we're going to do the same thing on the red string. Remember, a forward knot, you're making a four. Then you can just take the tip of this and put it through this loop and pull. Remember that you have to do this twice to make a forward knot. Give me 1 second. Well, we are going to work with that. Now we have made forward knots. I'm going to show you how to make backward knots on this other side. So we're going to take the string on the right. For a backward knot, use the string on the right. Make a backward knot. You can see this looks like capital letter D, and do the same thing. Pull this thing through the loop there. Tight, but not too tight, and repeat the same step again, like this. A D, pull it through, then pull up. Yeah, that's a backward knot, and I'll repeat it again with this red string. So we're going to do it like this. This is a D or reverse 4. Take this tip and pull up, and do the same thing again. There. For backward forward knots, I'm going to do them on the edge here. So I'm going to make a backward forward knot with this one on this string. See? You make a forward knot first, pull, then make a backward knot, which is a forward and backward knot. So this just takes the string from the right and still brings it back to the position, but you can see that I've made a knot here. I'm going to do the same thing with this string. This is it peach? I don't really know the color. I think this should be wine or burgundy. I'm not sure. But remember, forward knot first, and then a backward knot. See? And we have this same string back to the original position again. Now we're going to do this one more time. Forward, 1, pull, and then we'll make a backward knot. See? Forward, backward knot. Now we're going to do the other side. On this side, we're going to make a backward forward knot. So this string is here. Now on this side, we took the string from the left to the right and back to the left. And this time we're going to take the string from the right to the left and back. See, now we're going to make a backward knot first. So put your string over, pull it through the loop. We'll make a backward knot, and then we're going to make a forward knot. Now, backward forward knots are you just doing half a forward knot and half a backward knot, or half a backward knot and half a forward knot. Now let's do it again on this string. So we're going to take this one and make a backward knot. We'll pull. Then we'll do it again. Forward knot. It just goes back to the same position we picked it up from. Now we'll do it again. So we're going to do it again. Backward knot and a forward knot, and that is it. Now for the different kinds of friendship bracelets we have, this is an alpha pattern. This is a normal this is an alpha pattern for making alpha friendship bracelets. And now this is a normal pattern for a normal friendship bracelet. This is the second type of friendship bracelet we have. I didn't put up any Kumihimo patterns because I didn't find any. This is an example of an alpha bracelet. The patterns are different, plus the back is mostly like this. You can see this one. It's the same thing. And they go from either from right to left or left to right. From right to left or from left to right. See? See my hair here. From right to left or from left to right. Another one, cookie. Made this for my mom, though I still have it. This was for a Harry Potter challenge. You can see here this was when I used clean back technique, so it's not as rough as the other one. And see, now all this I also use for this alpha. You can see here, I started with a normal, and then I went straight into the alphas, and at the edges here I use the flat alpha? Yes, flat alpha technique. See the back of this one, and see this one. And then this is the one I'm going to post a tutorial for this probably tomorrow. So now, while these are alpha bracelets, we also have, oh, don't forget this one. This is one of my absolute favorites. Anime. Then there's also this one. I hand dyed the yarn myself. Weave from the side and post the other one. So see this one. See this? This is a normal friendship bracelet with a normal pattern. You can see this one was my first arrowhead, yes. Then there's this one. It's not my first dovetail, but it's really nice, isn't it? With the loop. You can see this too. I started with this. This one doesn't have a loop, just has ties. It's somewhat of triangle ends. And then there's this one. There are multiple patterns to show normal friendship bracelet, just the same way. This one now is a two-way bracelet at the back. I feel like this looks like an owl eye, but nobody agrees with me. So tell me what it looks like. Then there was a leaf bracelet. This was a tutorial by Putanoma, I think, yes. Then this one was a set. I will bring out the second one of this soon. Then this was the daisy chain that was trending like last year. The mountain bracelet. And this one that I got from Hell 4Z, or Hell Z4. I don't remember. See, it has this really cool twist here. Well, that's all for normal bracelets. You can see that the patterns are different. This one goes from left to right and back, right to left, while this one can go anyhow. And the backs are also different. Okay. Now, Kumihimo bracelets add a few, just a little, because people don't really like to make patterns for this, and I don't know why. This was the one from Alex Innovations tutorial. I have made quite a few from that. See another one here. And then there are more to this side here. Just one color bracelets that are very thin with loops and twisted ties on the end. And this is the pattern. This was, no, give me a second, let me go and find which bracelet. Found it. It came from this one. This was a set. So I made the normal friendship bracelet, and then I made a Kumihimo bracelet to go with it. This was it. Then I also had this one. I have this one. I don't think the pattern can be seen properly here. It was supposed to be something like a daisy. It was supposed to be a daisy, but somewhere along the line I lost track of the pattern and it came out somewhat different. You can see a little bit the flowers didn't line up anymore. You can see this white here instead of supposed to be here. So I just left it, but I finished it with a twisted tie. See how this one came out. Then there's this one. Remember I told you that I made a set? Yes. This one looked Aztec-y, geometric. I thought it was like a geometric shape, but I decided to make this tiger pattern to go with it. I also made twisted ties. I really like how these ties came out. They look very nice. And this should be one of the last ones I have. Can't find the remaining. This is it. So this is it's a Kumihimo. This is an alpha bracelet. This is a normal bracelet. You can see they are different. They are all different, but yet they all have loops. So bye, see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and oh wait, no, thank you for watching. Bye bye.